Good morning, guys. Reese Rockman, aka Mr. Going to Go Hiking. So, guys, it's like our 4th or 5th day here. No, I think it's like Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Our 4th day here, and it's 10:30 in the morning, and we're gonna go on a hike. So basically, the resort that we're staying at offers a variety of different activities, and hiking is one of them. Like, this is at least one that I can take you guys on because there's no water involved, because I do film on my phone. Need to maybe invest in a GoPro, but I don't really go on holiday that much. So yeah, I'll either chat to you on the hike a bit, or I'm going to make a montage. Sorry that this footage is being released after I finish my holiday, but I have no access to any editing software, and I've got about a 2 meg internet line that doesn't allow more than 2 people on at a time. So guys, enjoy whatever you get.
I know things have been a little strained around here lately because of all the stuff going on outside the house, you know, the pressure, the job, all those things that can weigh you down. You know, sometimes, just sometimes, you bring that home with you. And I understand, but you know, I want us to just stop for a minute and think about how much we had together.
Do you want to go find a scorpion, Britt?
No, it's fine.
You okay? You want to go find a scorpion, Caleb? I will. Finished the walk. It was actually quite nice. It turned out to be like 3.5 4Ks. I don't have to be on and I'm tired. But it was pretty much a very nice walk. Got to see the whole resort. That was very nice. I think I'll make a nice montage of the whole event. And yeah. So now we're gonna go swim and then maybe eat. Probably eat. Maybe eat before we swim.
Yes.
Okay, goodbye. The wild Brittany. Very easy to catch in the wild because she's not very fast. It's a wild Casey. Very easy to catch, but not much meat on the bones. I'm just bragging on my cousin and my sister. So this is the plant we got on the hike, and my mom's gonna try it. Chew, Mom. Look at us and chew. And she said she wasn't going to make actions.
Caleb.
No actions supposedly. So now we're going to go swim. Young flick there. We went on a hike today, and the guy told us we could actually drink these leaves and make it into like a tea. It's supposed to be good for your stomach. So me and Caleb are going to down it. It tastes like absolute
Utter nonsense.
Look at 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's the fun.
Face me or face Caleb. Swallow, Casey.
Hello?
Aish. Casey Lee Anthony is weak.